Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Little Fingers. I hope you all have a good week so far.
This week, I'm going to share with you the unboxing of the storage device that I've used in my second DIY PC project. It is a silicon power SSD A55 3D NAND with 512GB storage capacity. Well, the good news is that I bought this for $48.99 6 months ago. Right now, if you want to buy this one, you can buy it at $54.99. So it's not too bad compared to the enormous increase of prices for the graphics card and other computer components in the market right now. Just the thing you'd expect for low supply, high demand situation,
Anyway, going back to Silicon Power A55, it's a 2.5-inch SSD which promised to read at 560 megabytes per second and write for 530 megabytes per second.
Its physical dimension is 3.94 by 2.75 by 0.28 inches. Well, according to the product information sheet, this product guarantees high data transmission, reliability, and safety. It supports trim command, which solves decrease efficiency issue, garbage collection technology, RAID, and ECC or error checking and correction to provide the optimized performance and enhanced reliability. And it has 3-year limited warranty. Just don't forget to register your product through their official website to get the complete manufacturer warranty services, product support, and more.
Also, the A55 is very light and claimed to be the lightest and thinnest SSD of its kind. Despite of its size, it is still a shock and vibration proof because it contains no moving parts. According to Crystal Diskmark benchmark, the A55 reads and writes slightly lower than promised, but proved to compete really well with other known brands. Therefore, you can't beat the price for the quality you get from this A55 SSD. There you go, folks. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.